If you're dead and you flat out, rally on the flag. If you flat out, rally on the flag. Get medics back in.
This is it. Me, you, Mitch, and Alex.
Mitch, Alex, come on.
We're all that made it up.
Cover the medic or go this way.
If you're up,
yeah.
Put it away. Starting it now. Take your time. Are you still alive? No. Oh, I'm gonna heal him after you then.
What's up, brother? Hey, what? How we doing?
I'm not sure where they are.
Jesus, fuck, that scared the hell out of me.
Every time.
One medic by the dish. I say again, I need one medic by the dish. Oh.
Look at that.
we're good.
Coming in.
Are you? Oh yeah, you let out right. Good.
Yes. Go and get inside. Yeah, inside. Fucking over a little bit more.
Fucking over it.
Moving! See anybody?
Yeah, vehicle team.
Nice.
Let's move up, boy.
Yeah, there's a contact, 12 o'clock, about 50 meters. Right that way, but you should be good to get up here.
Can you fire? I'm gonna move up.
Yeah, go for it. Ready?
Gun, reorganize and pull back when you can feasibly do so. Resupply and then come back out here.
Alright, let's
take this road.
Right there.
Got all that gun?
Contact. Say again.
If you are not fit to fight, pull your squad out at your convenience. When you reinsert, hold the radar dish and set up a perimeter. That's going to be our casualty collection point. Over.
Roger that.
3 contacts, my 12 o'clock! 50 meters! Hit! You're good? Yeah.
You need a man? Go. You got bandage left? I've got 2 left. How many do you got?
Alright, I'm heading over to where Galp is.
Stay off the road, their Victor will cut you down. Push that fucking
Come on.
flag!
Base to rearm. We're low on ammo. We'll be back soon, hopefully.
Good luck, man. It's all good. Alpha 1! Push left!
Go, come on!
Alpha 1.
Yeah!
Left.
Go, come on! By that building!
Harry's down.
Oh shit!
Yeah, Tyler.
Nice! Very nice! Well done, man!
One left. Let's take that building.
Push!
That building, guys. Go.
We can manage the guys that keep going. Push!
Alpha 1, move up a bit! Bound up!
Medic, over here.
Let's go!
Alpha.
What's that? Not this one, no. Oh shit, we're getting... Oh, fuck! Hit!
Camp on his right. He's
Yeah. Can you drag him to me?
Yeah.
Him, whatever the hell he wants you to do.
I'm skinny. I'm skinny.
The brush. There you go, brother.
Gentlemen.
Dude, come through.
Thanks, brother. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, thanks, buddy.
Sorry.
It's all good. Told you I was skinny, though.
Am I clear to get to these guys?
Swing, move to the right. Yeah, go for it. Okay.
Get the fuck down if you don't want to get hit. There's a guy directly.
How many bandages do you guys have?
We're done for bandies.
All right. And you got enough for him? Is he on your team?
Yeah, he's my squad.
And you don't have one for him?
No, we're done.
So you're gonna make one last push and then go?
That's what we're gonna expend ourselves
good?
with you guys on this assault, and then we're gonna go back.
Okay.